Jeff's Destination Kyoto. When people ask me why I came to Japan, I say for the language and the culture. But when I talk about the culture, the one thing I really like is Japanese sake. Today, I'm going to show you how they make sake, a sake making place. When we go to a sake making place, we're going to find these cedar balls. It's a ball of fresh cedar leaves. The color now is green because this is the season when the new sake is being made. And this is to show you that there's new sake here for us. We're going to watch them make the sake today. And this will gradually turn into a dark brown color as the sake gets older. Every year the new sake is made. When you're making sake, of course the first thing to do is to, actually you don't boil the rice, you steam the rice. So this is a huge, huge amount of rice that's being steamed now. They're going to take off the lid, take out the steamed rice, which is going to be the first part of making sake. This hot rice is really good stuff. As Mr. Matsuda said, the rice, the taste of the rice, that's what makes the sake. This is really good rice. Now the freshly steamed rice comes out and they're putting it malt. Malt is what is actually going to start the fermentation that's going to make the sake. So he's sprinkling malt onto the rice. You can see that he keeps moving the thermometer. The temperature of the rice is he just moved the thermometer. The temperature of the rice is very important. It can't be too hot and it can't be too cold. Now this is not the same rice that we just saw. This has been done a few days ago, but the yeast has been added and the fermentation process has started. You can see that the fermentation is bubbling up and it's a wonderful, wonderful smell. Now this will be the starter. Put it into a larger tank and then more and more rice malt mixture will be added and the fermentation process will continue. So this is really what's called the starter, the thing that starts the sake and gives it its real good flavor. One sake maker doesn't make just one kind of sake, they make many kinds. Mr. Masuda makes 13 different kinds of sake. He's put some of them out here. But the sake that we're using in Japan for the toast is actually a sparkling kind of sake. Now this is the new sake that's just been made this year, so it's really fresh. And we'll have a little toast here. Kanpai. Kanpai. 今日はありがとうございます。香りいいですね。It really has a sweet aroma. And it has the bitterness of the sparkling carbonization and the sweetness of the sake. It's really nice.